Montana is no stranger to wildfires.
Even though they're predictable, we know they're coming, you still can't plan for them, because it just takes one spark.
This year might just be the most intense yet.
Fires are starting a lot sooner. Our fires are growing a lot larger, and our resources are stretched a lot more thin.
The wildfire season has already begun in Montana, and experts like Carter Gallino of the Blackfeet Fire Management predicts that this is only the beginning.
I do expect this season to be, more extreme than season past. And I was just looking at the numbers, and this time last year we were at 24 fires, and we're already at 39.
A big problem this year happens to be in the lack of water. Local ranchers in the area keep stored water for fire emergencies, but even they might struggle to keep some on hand.
A lot of the water resources that we depend on usually hold up till mid-June, early July, but we're already seeing those resources drying up or getting to the point where we can't even get water out of them.
Despite the dry climate, there are many things homeowners and ranchers can do to protect their properties from potential fires.
Number one rule is defensible space. Keep wood piles at least 5 feet from the house. Make your defensible space anywhere from 30 feet to 100 feet, depending on how large your property is. And keep the grass short and watered.
With the fire danger at an all-time high, remaining fire aware is the best way to take care. In Browning, Brianna Juneau, MTN News.